Alright, so I've just populated this up with two more, so that gives me 8 total. And this is my first attempt, so let's just see how this goes. So I'm going to try the left side first, just to. Last time the back was the one that bound first, so nothing there. So nothing on the left side, so let's go to the right. Okay, so I can get all the way back on back. Nothing there. Alright. Alright, front binding a little bit. So let me see. Just kind of wiggling everybody up into where they feel loose. Okay, we'll check the front on this side. Nope. Nope. Alright. Everything is feeling loose. So, don't know. Oop, there we go. I wasn't getting on that back one on the right side. It's still binding tight. Loosen up, see if I can go one more click. There we go. Now it's loose. Okay. So I was not going all the way to the back. Guess that'll do it for you if you're not on the right pin or slider or whatever. Alright, let's check the left. Nothing in the front. Let's go to the back. Make sure I'm all the way to the back. I just rubbed across somebody and I got a click, so let's see. Trying to do this by feel. Alright, got one binding in the back, I think. There we go. Loose. Oop, just bumped up the one, got a click. That one in the back feels like it's too tight. Loosen off, come back down with it. There we go. Alright, so check the front on the left side. Binding. Oop, got that one to move up. We'll go to the second one. Seems to be my problem one. See if I can move it up any. Yep. Wiggly wiggly. We'll go to the second one. It's wiggling. So I'm going to go back to the back again on the right side. Make sure I'm all the way. Alright. That one was binding pretty hard. It's loose now. See, I'm bumping them and they can feel loose. The front one on the right, just slid it up, went into a little bit of a false set. So just want to try to feel who's binding. Alright, the second one right here on the left feels like it's binding. I'm going to try to give it a push up without. That was me slipping off. Alright, I think I'm going to have to kind of manually counter maybe. Alright, and just bump something and some things. Alright, everything went loose on the left. maybe. Now I gotta find the pin. The little short ones are harder to get onto. Alright. I guess that's the right place. Alright, going back to the right side for a minute. Sorry if I get quiet because I'm really trying to concentrate. And sometimes, many of you know, people get kind of quiet when they're concentrating, and so I'm going to the back. It feels loose. Alright. Who is not where they want to be? Okay. Yep. Yep. Alright, back into the false set. So I'm going to switch to the other side and just give everybody not sure who is out of place, but alright, left side went. Whoever I moved back here just changed some stuff. good. Let me see if the second one feels. Pretty sure it's dropped down because I think it has to go up. Just got to be able to get on it and stay on it. All right. Okay. Left side feels good right this second. So let's go back to the back. That one feels good. That one feels good. Can't really. That one feels pretty good. That one's binding tight. Try to push it down. Still binding hard. Alright, where are you at? That one. Alright. Let's see. One is dropped back down. Right side. Alright, there we go. Loosen back up. But I'm pretty sure I dropped some on the right. Okay. And there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was with 8 pins and almost 13 minutes. Yeah, this is going to be probably a multi-part series. So yeah, that lot right there. Yeah, all right. I'm wondering if it'd be easier, but you know, it's never going to be mounted probably horizontal. That way you're not dropping them all the time. But look, see if anybody's ever talked about picking it, so that way the sliders aren't dropping. But all right, on to the next.